guys, it's Shannon, Simply Shannon. I'm back. I'm still here, I promise. I've just been super busy. The room is not painted, y'all. It's hot. There's just, nobody wants to be up here painting when it's so hot up in this room, so it ain't painted yet. I'm going to do some of my favorite things for the month. I know it's super late. It's already almost like mid-month, but I'm going to go over, I have some things here, and then I'm going to pull out the three, is it 1, 2, 3? Like the 3 things from that Birchbox that I got that have actually become part of my favorites. So it's kind of like a revisiting Birchbox monthly favorites kind of meshy thing. Does that make sense? Okay. I'm going to see if I can turn this light on and see if it helps with the lighting in here because I know it's super dark and y'all are going to just say something. So there, I'm going to turn that light on, give my face a little bit more light. Hello. Okay. I'm not going to be crazy. First thing I'm going to do is talk about this one non-beauty item. So this was actually gifted to me, and I'm starting to get a little obsessed. I'm new. If you guys do this and you want to give me tips or tricks or show me really cool websites to check out, I really want to know. But I got a planner. I know. I've had them before. But this is the one I got. It is so beautiful. This is the Happy Planner. Somebody bought it for me, like I said. And I'm kind of becoming obsessed with it. It doesn't start till July, so I'm just now starting to get into the whole planning phase. But where you like put on these all beautiful stickers to it. And I've been having a little fun with it. So there's this page just letting you know, look, birthday day right there in July. So brand new, like I said, it is a gorgeous planner. It goes all the way to the end of 2019. So it's an 18-month planner. I love it. I love it so much. Every month it has this beautiful page, and then it has a spot where you could put like birthdays, anniversaries, things that are coming up. But my favorite, just look at this one. Is this not gorgeous? I think that's so pretty. Every month has a different page like this. Not only did she get me this, and she said that you can find them at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or Joann's. So yeah, I'm going to be all over this. She also got me some of these, see the little hearts on the side? Let me see if you can see. See, there's got these like little hearts in there, the discs. So mine are kind of like a brushed gold or a, not a kind of a matte gold. She also got me these cute little shiny gold ones if I wanted to change it out. And then she got me 2 of these little stickers. This one has quotes and stuff, like plan on it, things to do, beautiful little stickers. So she got me this one. And then she also got me Color Story, which has these beautiful, brightly colored ones. And I'm kind of becoming obsessed with them. So yeah, this is my new obsession, is starting to plan. Like I said, mine doesn't start till July, so I'm just now getting into it and starting to have a little fun. But I love it already. So, like I said, if you guys are doing this or you have some tips or tricks or some pages I should go check out, please let me know because it's super fun. Okay, so first let's talk about the stuff from the Burt's Bees box that I got. I will link that video down below. I get the Burt's Bees box. I order it myself, but I order it and it's like a quarterly box of some new products that are coming out before they hit the shelves. So I am going to talk about 4 of the products because the liquid lips that I got in there, I'm not wearing liquid lips right now. It's summer. I just want to throw a little gloss and be out the door. And then some of the other ones are just not really stand out for me. The ones that are stand out, you guys, the Burt's Bees Micellar Water, they're with white cypress oil. It's their 3-in-1. This has replaced the Garnier Micellar Water in my house. You guys, this is amazing stuff. It says it's a 3-in-1, removes makeup, cleanses, and hydrates. I love it. I'm using less of it than I ever would with the Garnier one. I don't have to scrub as much. You guys, I love this. It has been a permanent staple in my bathroom, and I will continue to buy this. I love this stuff. You guys, check it out. That was worth it right there. The other thing is the Burt's Bees Calming Lavender and Honey Body Wash. You guys, I am down to like here. I love this stuff too. I've been using this like crazy. Let me tell you a little story. So, Shannon forgot what Michigan summers were like. And now that she has a pool that she can go to almost any day she wants to, I don't need sunscreen. I want a little color. Shannon got burnt. You guys, my arms, my little area right here was so burnt. I mean, I was bad. I was bad. Showers were painful. It was hurting. I'm still shedding skin like crazy. That stuff, loved it. Lavender and essential oils are really good and calming for the skin, but this lavender and honey kind of stuff was amazing. But I really do love this, and I love the smell, so definitely will be repurchasing that as well. The micellar, I have the cleansing wipes too that was in the box. I don't use these on my face. I don't use a cloth. These are pretty much just been staying up here in the beauty room to wipe off swatches or that kind of thing. So these are probably good, but I'm not going to say that they are because I haven't used them on my face. But the water is so good. So the last thing, so you guys know I have that, what is the name of it? I'm going to insert a little picture. The Laneige lip mask, I think it is. You guys, this is this is a great drugstore dupe. I'm not saying it's, you know, pound for pound, or you guys know what I mean. But this stuff is really, really nice. This is the Burt's Bees Overnight Intense Lip Treatment. I love this, you guys. I keep this by my bedside table. You guys probably can't see, but there is a dip in that. I have been using it a lot. Just pat this on, put it on it, and I really, really like this. Yes, I still have the other one, but most days I find I'm reaching for this right before I go to bed. So check this out. Let's go with some more kind of bath or non-makeup related items real quick. I bought this to help with my peeling skin because, like I said, I'm still peeling like crazy. And I wanted to get an exfoliator, one that wasn't too abrasive on my skin, but was still going to kind of take some of that dead skin off. I picked up the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is in crushed macadamia and rice milk. It smells so good. So I got this, like I said. You guys, it smells so good. It's not super heavy. I don't feel like I'm gonna, hurt myself literally using it. I felt that way with some body polishers or some exfoliants. That stuff works so nice. I feel so smooth afterwards, and that smell is amazing. So highly, highly recommend those. I know there's 3 other scents. I don't know what they were, but the crushed macadamia, good. So this last thing I got, it's a little sample. This is by the Little Barn Apothecary. This is their coconut and mint cooling mineral mist. It's organic aloe vera, Japanese mint, and sea minerals. It is vegan, it is organic, and it is delightful. I was spraying this on my face when my face got the little sunburn. I had that little sunburn patch up here and on my nose and everything. You guys, this is so, so nice. I've been fighting my daughter to use it because she loves it as well. I'm definitely going to repurchase this. I think it's great for after the sun. I'm going to get the bigger bottle and just keep it. Been out in the sun too long, or you're starting to get that little burnt feeling. You guys, this feels so, so good. And it's great on the face, too. So, highly recommend this. Little Barn Apothecary. I know they sell it at Ulta. They have a whole line. And it's, like I said, it's all vegan and organic. So, check it out. Okay, now let's get into beauty stuff. Let's talk about the stuff that's on my lips. I am in love with this. I wear it every day. This is the Becca Glow Gloss. You guys know how much I love my Becca. But it's supposed to have the color or the pigment of a lipstick, but a gloss. I do see that. Like I said, I bought the really nudie one. I want to swatch just for you. I love the big doe. Whoa, hello. I love the big doe foot applicator on this thing. But I just got this beautiful nude color. This is in opal. That's the color I got. You guys, I love this. I wear it all the time. It's in my purse. I love this so, so much. One thing that I didn't like, I'm going to go through. I got the Milk Makeup. What is this? This is like their cooling stick. I just bought a little mini, and I'm really glad I did because I'm not a fan of this. Like I said, this is their little cooling stick. You're supposed to put it like under your eyes to help with depuffing or something like that. I don't find that it's very cooling for one thing, and I don't find that it does too much. what I do use that I like even better is the Physicians Formula Refreshment Cucumber and Bamboo Eye Depuffer. I've been using this one, and this one I love. This actually feels cool when you put it on. It goes on so much smoother. I feel like this one tugs a little bit, and I definitely don't want to be tugging under that under eye. This one just really smooths and glides on there. So I will definitely be continuing to use this. This, not so much. Okay. Another thing, it's another sample that I got actually. I think I got this in maybe in a lure box, I think. But this is the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I will probably be repurchasing the big full size of this. This moisturizer has been lovely. There isn't much left in there, but it's just this moisturizer that gives my skin just enough moisturizer. It feels like water just going into my skin and letting my skin soak it all up. You guys, I love this stuff. Love, love, love. I'm looking for my towel. You guys know I always keep my towel up here. There it is. I'm going to grab it real quick. I keep my towel so I can wash my hands, or at least wipe them off in between products. Whew, this is going to be fun. This nice unedited video where you don't even see me because I keep moving and walking around. Hello. All right. So I got 3 more things here to talk about. One of them, I'm not going to go in too much detail because I've decided to do a whole video about all the products I've been using with argan oil. I have been using argan oil so much. My hair, my face, my body, and I'm in love with it, and I love what it's doing to my dry skin. But I do want to briefly touch on this because you guys, I love this so much. I'm so glad I made the investment. This is the Josie Maran Vibrancy Argan Oil Foundation Liquid. I love this. I'm wearing it today. It gives me beautiful coverage with this nice little dewiness, and my skin just feels so, so good. So I love this. It says it's a full coverage, or what does the bottle say? I saved the box just to talk to you guys about it. Let me grab this real quick. Let's see. It's argan oil. Like I said, it's natural ingredients. It's paraben-free. It's gluten-free. It's recyclable. It's cruelty-free. No synthetic fragrance. What kind of coverage does it say? I'm trying to see if it says real quick. Medium to full coverage, but it's very lightweight. That's one of the reasons I got it. So, like I said, I am going to do a full video of all the different argan oil products that I've been using on my skin, my body, my face, and tell you what I like about it and the benefits. But I did want to bring this up, and the packaging is gorgeous on this bottle, you guys. I just love it. So, Josie Maran Vibrancy. Okay, be prepared for the other video. If it's up, I'll link it. If not, stay tuned because it's, you guys, I'm all about it. The last 2 things are face products. One of them is my, I pulled this out of my drawer and been using it lately. This is a Bare Minerals. This is their Visible Bronze. I do not use a heavy bronzer on my face. Obviously, you guys can tell. I got some sun, and I just like to keep it really natural and very minimal. I always have. But I picked up, this is in Fair to Light, and it's their bronzer that I love, you guys. I don't want a really heavy bronzer. To me, this is the perfect shade for us fair girls. You can see it there. I can build it up if I want it a little bit darker or anything. But I really do love this bronzer. Like I said, it's by Bare Minerals, and it's their Fair to Light Invisible Bronzer. All right, guys. The last thing is by Stila. This is one of their Heavenly Hues highlighters. The little, I have 2 of these, but this is what I've been using. They're putty highlighters. Right? You guys can see me pushing on this. This is in Magnificence. It is this corally bronze goodness. Let me swatch it here for you. Ugh. You guys see that? So pretty. I have it on today. Just kind of topped it up over my, just kind of dabbed it on with my beauty blender. Just took my beauty blender. Actually, it's still a little damp because I just did my makeup. And just move my hair out of the way, and just kind of pounced it right in through here. Give it a little bit of shine where you want it. I love the way these go on. So this is, I have applied them with a brush before, but being it's summer, I just wanted a really nice light kind of look to it. So there's that. You guys, I love these. Like I said, it's by Stila. It's their little putty bronzers, and I highly recommend them. Okay, so there you go, guys. Sorry this is so late. I will definitely trying to get back onto a schedule for you guys. I got a lot more videos planned, so be on the lookout for those. Like I said, these are all the things I've been kind of loving. I love telling you guys the actual products from Burt's Bees that I've been using out of that box. So those are the ones that I highly recommend, or that had definitely become a main staple in my routine and will definitely stay there. I'll see you in another video, guys. Thanks for hanging in. I appreciate it, you guys. Like I said, I know I'm not the best at keeping my schedule, and but I do still work outside my home. I moved back to Michigan to help take care of my parents, so I also have that going on. And then, you know, my daughter and my husband actually want to spend time with me too for some reason. And it's summer and I have a pool. What can I say? I'm a little bit busy, but I am really committed to this channel, guys, and I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in another one. Bye, guys.